Every chosen one comes into this world with a mission. They bring light and hope to humanity, and once their tasks are completed, they return. It is precisely because they carry such extraordinary missions that their lives are often filled with hardships, trials, and emotional turmoil, but they ultimately achieve greatness. When the higher power chooses you, it doesn't hand you a manual. It gives you clues, signs, and whispers. Don't dismiss signs as mere coincidences. Acknowledge them. Delve into their depths, and you might discover their arrows pointing you toward your destiny. Here are the signs you are a chosen one. 1. You feel that you are special. From a very young age, you were puzzled. Who am I? Where do I come from? Why did I come to this world? When you seek the answers to these questions, you find that the answers are always obscured by a faint veil, preventing you from describing them clearly. You only know they are there. You have this profound feeling of being special, as if there's a mission waiting for you. It's like an intuition that you can't shake off, a flame deep within your soul that constantly tells you that you are here for something significant. The way all things in the world operate, how people interact with each other, all the hatred and strife, seem meaningless to you. Sometimes you even feel that you belong to another place, a place far from here, and you find yourself longing for that unknown home. This feeling is intense. You are different from others. You are not here to simply go with the flow. You are here to change the status quo, to make the world a better place. No matter how much you deny it, this calling will not disappear. 2. You want to know more. You are not the type to be satisfied with just everyday life. While some find comfort in a routine existence, you always feel like there is something bigger waiting for you. You crave more. You are naturally drawn to the mysterious, yearn for the unknown world, and love exploring the cosmos. Deep down, you know you belong to that magical world. You've chosen the road less traveled. You have selected a path different from most, aware that this choice will shape your life in a truly special way. 3. You are a good person. You always consider others first in what you do. Even when treated poorly or taken advantage of, you still choose to be kind and do good for others. This is because you have a very pure heart, which is also a key reason you are considered a chosen one. You are naturally inclined to make others happy, sometimes even giving more than what they might deserve. This is not because you are weak, but because you genuinely enjoy helping others. Helping people is part of who you are. It's in your genes. When you give to others, even without receiving much in return, you feel the most energetic and true to yourself. Your kind-hearted nature clearly indicates that you are a special person, chosen for a greater purpose. 4. You have endured so much. The chosen ones are the strongest. They are resilient and face the toughest battles. As a child of destiny, your life was destined to be filled with challenges from the start. These difficulties serve a purpose. They make you stronger and wiser. Your experiences enable you to be a guiding light for those who are lost. Every hard moment in your life, every pain, every struggle, every test, and every challenge have its reason behind it. Nothing is in vain. These experiences contribute to your spiritual growth and endow you with the wisdom needed to make the world a better place. Even as you go through your own tough times, you somehow find the strength to help others through theirs. You might not always realize it, but you are acting as a messenger of God. You are not just elevating yourself. You are a servant and a helper, making the lives of those around you better. 5. You seek truth. From a young age, you've wanted to know the reality behind everything. You're not afraid to question the truth of matters, nor are you afraid to challenge others' beliefs. While some may go with the flow, you prefer to listen to your own heart and walk your own path. You constantly ask questions, searching for deeper meaning in life. You possess a strong curiosity, wanting to explore and understand the mysteries of existence. You know that the real answers are not always out in the world. Often, they are deep within yourself. 6. Sometimes people dislike you because your kindness and the light within you make some people feel uncomfortable. It's as if your brightness highlights the darkness within them, the parts they are not proud of. As you grow spiritually, the light inside you shines even brighter. While many will fall in love with you for it, some might react strangely, even negatively. It's important to know that this is not about you, but about them and their own issues. So, don't let anyone dim your light. Continue to be yourself and let go of negative emotions. Trust that the universe will support you, and remember that you will receive guidance and protection from above. Don't worry about those who don't understand you. Just keep shining because you are here for a greater purpose. 7. You are indifferent to fame and wealth. You feel that they are not important, as there are more significant matters waiting for you subconsciously. You don't reject money, but it is merely a tool for accomplishing important tasks, and you refuse to become a slave to it. While others are caught up in comparisons and competition, you remain true to your own heart. It is precisely because of this adherence to yourself that you may appear more solitary. You don't shun success. However, the success you pursue is the fulfillment of your own inner desires, the life you wish for yourself, not the success envied by others. 8. You believe in a higher power governing humanity. Unlike some who do not respect spiritual concepts, you hold great reverence for the force of the universe or God. You can see things others may not. You understand that everything is unfolding according to a higher plan. You are what's known as a truth bringer, and your job is to bring the truth to this world. Deep inside, you know this is your true mission. Because you have been given this important task, you will be guided and protected by a higher power. You need not fear anything, for you are walking on a path specially laid out for you, and you are not walking it alone. Friends, if you see these signs that we've discussed in the video, you should listen to the call. It is a sign from a higher power, urging you to find the truth while you're living on this world. If you love this video, please share with your family and friends. Because of you, I can create more videos and offer insight for wisdom. Thank you for being a part of Wisdom Tree family. I wish you a prosperous life. May you receive wonderful blessings today.